You've all seen tons of 350zs throughout the 2020 drift season, so I wanted to go over the top 5 best sounding catback exhaust systems for this car, since it's what I'm most likely going to be getting for 2021's drift season. All of the links to each of these exhaust systems that I go over will of course be linked down in the description below. What you're going to hear is just the catback exhaust. There's no other modifications like new headers or tunes or anything like that. So first is the Invidia Gemini exhaust. There are 2 versions of this and cost right around $1,200. And before we go over the next one, I do quickly want to say that those of you on a cheaper budget, there are always replicas of the more expensive exhaust. They won't be identical as far as they sound, but they will be very similar and they only cost 1/4 the price. They just might not last as long. So the second one is an HKS replica by DNA Motoring. That's only going to cost you $350 compared to the HKS's $1,200. I'm putting this on the list because I want you to hear that cheaper does not necessarily mean crappy sounds. The third exhaust system is from Borla. This is going to run you about $1,200, and I do want to show you how much of a difference headers can actually make on your car. So the first one that you're going to hear is the exhaust only, and then the second one is going to be the exact same exhaust, but with Borla headers as well. The fourth exhaust is from Flowmaster. This one is only going to run you about $900 for the full catback. It's a bit more on the quieter side for those of you that don't want to drone inside of your head the entire time that you drive your car. I kept the $20 to $50 version for last because I need you to understand that you are going to get pulled over doing this. Like, there's no way around it. But for the people that just want an obnoxiously loud car that gets you tickets every single week, here's a straight piped 350z. But yeah, man, I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. As always, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and leaving a like is always appreciated if you enjoy. And again, all of the links to each of these exhaust systems will be down in the description below. And let me know what you guys would want for the next top 5 and top 10 video, because I plan on doing them every single Tuesday. But I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.